Good morning. 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 All right. So, have you all, good morning. Have you all gone through your social studies project? Have you all gone through your social studies project, the PDF that I gave you? Now, after going through, yes, after going through the project, the PDF, you must have come to know that what is our topic for social studies. Our topic for social studies project is the dresses and the jewelry of Meghalaya. Yes, the dresses for men, dresses for women, and jewelry that people of Meghalaya wear. Okay, so in social studies also, the first page will be common. What is the first page? The first page is the name of the school, name of the topic, your name, teacher name, your class, your roll number, etc. This is the first page. That will be common. Okay. Now, social studies page, there is, you have to write about men, women, and jewelry. If by chance it is not coming in two page, then you can use the third page in social studies also. All right, because you have to write about men also, you have to write about women also, and you have to write about the jewelry which men and women wear. So it may not come in two pages. If it is coming in two pages, very good. But by chance, if it is not coming in two pages, I'm not talking about the common page. Common page is different. The first page is different. I'm not counting that. I'm counting the other two pages. If by chance this project is not coming in the rest of the two pages, then you may use one more page, but do not exceed after three. Okay? If it if it comes in two page, very good. If it is not coming, then you can use one more page in social studies. Similarly, if you are having any problem in maths, I don't think so. Yes, ask. Okay, if by chance any portion is not coming in two pages, then you can use the third page. But please do not exceed after three pages, okay? Till three pages you have to do. Social studies is clear. Any other question? Any other problem related to any query related to the project? Yes, ask. Yes, exactly. And on the left hand side, pictures. Okay. When you are writing for men, you can put those pictures also, and you can look for more pictures and put them also. Okay. If you want to put separate pictures for men, you can use separate picture for women. You can use. Who is this? Do not disturb in between the class. If you are not interested, kindly leave. Any other query or question that you want to clear? Anybody related to the project? Okay. Maths work done? Hmm. Headings will be, yes, same thing will be there on all the projects. Only the topic will change. The common page you are asking, na, Ritisha? Common page, all headings will be changed. Only your subject name and topic name will change. Obviously, if you are doing science, then you will write there science in subject, and topic will be staple food of India. And when you are doing social studies, your topic will be jewelry and dress, and subject will be social studies. First page common in all subjects means the headings of the first page will be common, only the subject and topic name will change. Manvi, I think you are messaging and you are not interested in the class, and you are not interested in listening what queries other children are asking related to the project. Do not message, kindly pay attention here. Otherwise, later on, I am not going to clear any query. I am giving you time just now to ask any query related to any subject project. Because today is the last SST project I'm giving. From tomorrow, I'm not going to discuss anything related to the project. From tomorrow, only studies will go on. So if you want to ask anything related to any of the project, please ask just now. Yes, yes. On the right hand side, you have to write, and on the left hand side, you have to stick the pictures. Okay. And you can decorate it also. Yes. Beta, ask again. Your voice is not coming clearly. Yes, of course, you can decorate. And you can also write with different color sketch pens if you want. But the thing is, work should be very neat. You can use glitter pen also. All right. So, all subject projects are clear: English, math, science, socials, Hindi. And you also know the last date. The last date you all know. What is the last date to submit the project? 16 January. Yes, 16 January. Yes, yes. How you have to submit the project, that I will tell you later. You be ready with your project. How you have to submit, that I will tell you. Yes, yes, beta ask. Yes, beta ask. What? Which punch paper? You have to use one side rule and one side plain punch paper. You must have seen these type of punch paper in the market, in the stationery shop. Yes or no? Where one side is rule and one side is plain. Yes or no? So you have to use that type of punch paper only. You are showing it. Yes, show it to me. Okay, yes, you can use this type of punch paper. You can use in which border is already made. Okay. Okay, Buffy. Yes, Buffy, you can use. Hmm. Yes. Don't show project just now, Ritisha. No. Yes, you have to write that. Yes. Yes, 16th is the last date. And how you have to submit that I will tell you later. Whether you have to submit your files or you have to submit the PDF, that I will tell you later. No, you don't have to cover anything. Don't cover. Only 2 to 3 pages of punch sheets. Tie them. Don't forget to tie it. Tie it with any ribbon or any thread or any colorful string. Okay. So that the pages don't get misplaced. All right. So now we are going to, yes, attach all the papers. Hmm. But don't use stapler. Don't attach the papers using stapler. You have to use only and only string or ribbon to tie the pages. On the side, there are 2 holes on the punch paper. No, that I will tell you later. You be ready with your project, how you have to submit, and whether you have to use file or not, that I will tell you later. Okay, but just now there are 2 holes on the punch paper left hand side in the middle. Use those two holes and tie the punch papers together. Do not use a stapler. All right. Okay then.